Hi guys, welcome to Money 3. Last year we made a video comparing gardening to investing and all the similarities between them. Today we're going to talk about dividend investing and comparing it to picking fruits from the garden. You can see that our peach tree has ripened some fruits. Investing has a lot of similarities to gardening. You can see a lot of the imagery with investing involves growing a tree. It may take 10 to 20 years to grow the tree, similarly to taking that long to build $1 million portfolio. So in today's video, we're gonna explain how dividends are similar to growing fruits. With the tree, it grows on its own passively. You just have to create the infrastructure of the water and the soil, and then the tree will grow on its own. Over time, the tree will grow and it'll also produce fruits. These are the fruits that you can eat, and it won't impact the growth of the tree itself. And with investing, the dividends are the profits distributed to the shareholders of the company. So those are the money that you received by being an investor, and you don't even have to withdraw any money from your initial investment. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed our video. If you'd like to support our channel, you can check out our Patreon or buy me a coffee. Be sure to also check out our Instagram and YouTube accounts, and to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.